welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to link your Twitch to EA account. So then to link a Twitch to EA account, first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and open up a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in ea.com/twitch link or ea.com/twitch linking. As soon as you do that, make sure that you've already linked your EA account and also that you're already logged in with your EA account. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to show you the option as to authenticate. So if you're sure about linking your EA account to your Twitch or linking your Twitch to EA account, and in my case, I've not linked my EA account, so all I need to do is type in my credential and link the EA account as well. After you've done that, it's gonna send you a verification code through an associated email address. Look for the verification code or type in the verification code and tap the sign in button. As soon as you do that, the following information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be able to link your Twitch account to EA. So in this way, you can link your EA to Twitch account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.